In this video, we'll teach you how to become a Shein reseller. First of all, you need to open the Shein app, and in the beginning, I will tell you that there is no button to click it and become Shein reseller. But I will tell you what you need to do so. So, first of all, you need to go to the Shein and use all of the coupons, all of the discounts you have in your account. Just choose the products, use the coupons, use the promo codes, use the discounts, and buy them very cheap, guys. After we'll collect the inventory, then you can start thinking about selling them. So there are a few options you can do. First of all, you can build an e-commerce website, put all of these Shein products, do a little bit marketing or promoting, and sell all of your Shein inventory on your e-commerce website. You can also use the social media, for example, put on Facebook Marketplace or build an Instagram page for your small store, or you can record a review, for example, about the Shein product, put it on YouTube or TikTok in shorts, put the links in the description, and sell all of the Shein products. So that's how we can become a reseller on Shein. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.